Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today we have a quick one for you guys on how to fade to white. So initially what you're going to want to do is go to your effects panel, go down to generators, and then you want to click on solid color and drag it all the way down to the end of your timeline. Now that you have it there, you want to make sure it's selected, and then you want to go to inspector, and under video and generator, we're going to click the color panel, and then we're going to scroll down to white, click OK, and now we have a white solid color at the end. Now what you're going to want to do is go back to your effects control panel, click on video transitions, and then click on dip to color dissolve. Drag it all the way down to your video. You could leave it here or you can leave it in between. I like to leave it right here. And now we're going to click on it and then make sure that our color is also white. So we're going to scroll down to the bottom left, click on white, press OK, and now you have successfully added a white dissolve. You can actually decrease the length of this solid color, and then you can also increase the length of your white fade. Let's see it out. If you guys like the video, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, please comment down below. We're pretty good at answering them. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day.